every once in a while that the next to the small toe on the right foot, the second one up.
You get some pain here?
In there, yeah.
Yeah,
It seems that I may, if I walk on it for a while, but then it disappears.
Yeah, the
But then
place.
later it comes again. And
Yeah, the place that you're showing me, that's a place in between the baby toe and the one next to it that commonly gets a little corn.
gets what?
A little corn or a little thick skin.
Oh,
So I'll take a look and make sure there's nothing going on there before we finish here today. Does it ever bother you when you don't have shoes on? Or is it only when you're in shoes?
it's only when I have the shoes, you're right.
Okay. So they may be a little bit narrow. And they may be pushing against the baby toe and pushing that into the toe next to it.
I see.
Has it been longer than usual since
Pardon?
Has it been longer than usual since I last saw you?
The left one is, yes. But, wait.
No, has it?
See, I was able to do my right foot, but then I couldn't do the left.
Okay, so you trimmed these on your
Yes,
own.
Yes.
Okay. Lots of crumbs. What did you use to trim these nails?
Just clippers.
Okay.
I discovered that your fingernails and toenails are quite different.
Yeah. For many
And
people,
I-
they are.
And I do my own fingernails, but then I can use, you know, a file and file them down.
Hmm.
But can't do that with toenails.
Well, they're a little farther away than your
Yeah.
fingernails, right?
Plus, they're, you know, some of them are soft and some of them are harder, and I don't know. Fingernails seem to all be about the same.
That's true.
Same. Are you through with that?
I am.
Oh, would I use it? There's a tooth up here that.
It kind of does sound like a dentist drill, doesn't it? Okay, and then you don't need any help with shoes, right?
Yeah, I need a shoe mark.
We got the long one right here.
Yeah.
Wait where you are. Don't jump. Okay.
It's a long step. Huh?
Yeah, so
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thernergy. Thernergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and the form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thernergy, and I think it'll work for you.